This is Lab 16, Example 1. We want to factor the trinomial 3x squared minus 3x minus 6. And a trinomial, generally speaking, is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. This one in particular is when a is not 1, a here is 3. So we can't do what we've previously been doing when a is 1. So what we're going to do first in this case, when a is not 1, I'll just say that a is not 1. We're going to look for a greatest common factor between 3x squared, negative 3x, and negative 6, see if we can factor out any kind of number. 3 goes into 3x squared, negative 3x, and negative 6, so we're going to take out 3. So if we take out 3, we're left with x squared minus x minus 2. And you can always check that we did that correctly by multiplying it back in, and you'll get the same trinomial. Now that we've done that, if we focus on this inner part, now we do have a is 1. There's no number in front of this x squared. So when a is 1, we can factor it a little bit easier. So when a is 1, you're going to look for whatever numbers multiplied together as c, but add to b. So our c here is negative 2. And if we list some factors of negative 2, we know that we have positive 1 and negative 2, and negative 1 and positive 2. We're going to look for which ones added are going to give us our b. Our b is negative 1. So 1 plus negative 2 is negative 1. So it's not this one, so it's in this pattern right here, which means this inner portion is going to factor. We're just going to leave our 3 up front. It's going to factor to x plus 1 times x minus 2. Or we could just write it as 3 times x plus 1 times x minus 2. And that is this trinomial factored.